Good day. Please introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Aileen S. Lopez. I'm 31 years old. I have kids, 10, 9, and 3 years old. I'm high school graduate.
Okay, do you have work experience abroad as a domestic helper?
Yes, I have. In Oman, 2 years Finnish contract. And also here in the Philippines, 2 years Finnish contract.
Okay, what are your duties and responsibilities in your previous employer in Oman?
Take care the children, 8 years old and 7 years old. And wash the clothes, and ironing and cleaning the house.
How about your second employer here in Philippines?
Take care the eldest 78 years old male.
Healthy bedridden.
Healthy.
Okay, such as you clean the house.
Cleaning the house, washing the clothes, cooking the food in Filipino.
Okay, can you tell us how you take care of the children, a baby and elderly?
Give the vitamins, change the diaper, give the food, and give the take care of like mother.
Please tell us some of your skills.
I can cook, I can clean, and I can pass listener.
What are the traits necessary to be a good domestic helper?
To good periods, God periods, and trust, and honest, and love your own and also your employer.
Okay, anything else you want to tell for your future employer? Can you tell them now?
I promise to finish the 2 years contract in Hong Kong. God bless and thank you.
Thank you so much. I hope to see you in Hong Kong.